Hi and welcome back to today's morning report on Monday the 9th of February with me, Rich Perry, market analyst at Hantech Markets. Let's look at Euro now, and the damage that we had to the Euro on this sell-off on Friday just really continues this choppy trading period that we've had over the past 4 days really on the Euro. Strong bars, higher and lower, all of over 100 pips or so, and it's interesting because we're still trading above this downtrend. And there's no real overall damage yet on this daily chart. On the intraday chart, you can see that $1.13 seems to be still that floor intact. I mean, yes, you had a slight peak below like 12.83, but there was no real decisive move, and it never really got confirmed. So I'm still working on the opinion that this sort of 113 floor is still intact. 1260, I think, obviously is now the key low. I think near to medium term on this chart. If we lose that, I think then that would suggest that the bears are beginning to really gain control. But certainly around that 113 level, still I think intact. And obviously these are the choppy days that we've had in the last few days, higher and lower, higher and lower. And again, we've supported around that 13 mark. And we're sort of bouncing off that. It's up 35 pips at the moment, up towards 1350. Now, if you zoom in, you can see that there is an element of resistance, sort of a pivot level, minor pivot level around that $1.14 mark. Seems to be sort of interesting. 1390, the late 1390s if you're going to get to the pip, but certainly it seems to be a bit of a pivot on $1.14. So that could be the first test that we see. But obviously the highs come in around that $1.15 mark, and that would be a resistance as well. But certainly if you look at the if you zoom out slightly, you look at this the momentum indicators here. It's fairly indicative of pretty much a sideways trading environment. Sort of moves towards 70 and 30 and sort of trading consistently around that. I suppose although you would wonder now with this MACD lines falling away, the lower high and the lower low on the MACD maybe suggests that the bears are sort of beginning to get a little bit more control. But I think until we see a trading consistently below that 13 big figure, and also subsequently trading below the 1260 low, I'm not going to get too bearish on Euro quite yet, but it's not far off getting there, and certainly the bulls are hanging on by their fingertips at the moment, and they've got a lot of work to do to hold on. So I wish you good luck in your trading on Euro today, and I will speak to you later. Thank you.